Меня зовут Madina Tlostanova. My name is Madina Tlostanova. For me, any kind of research starts with looking for the ways to make this world a better, a more fair place for ultimately for all of us. My research interests focus around issues of inequality, racism, xenophobia, heterosexualism. Both my personal and collective experience is crucial for my research. I wrote several works on post-Soviet human condition, art, culture, literature, because I wanted to understand and analyze my own experience and that of my generation, whose lives were split and sometimes destroyed by the collapse of the Soviet Union and the following even more cynical authoritarian regime. Art plays a crucial role in societies where people cannot express themselves freely. Artistic influence may seem to be less immediate and powerful than direct political dissent. Yet at the same time, art has a potential in slowly changing the society and changing the way people look at things. Home is a very problematic category for me. I don't think I've ever felt at home in Soviet Union or in Russia or even in my native Caucasus for that matter. So home for me is on the bookshelf, perhaps. I've never belonged anywhere. I'm always changing, always on the move, always becoming, I would say. Yeah, indeed, I'm a bird, not a tree.